Okay, y'all, here we go. We got 2024 Bowman Chrome Baseball Sapphire, 5-box number 18 random teams. Let's run it. Let's rip. Yeah, Silly Dan, really good band. In more ways than a few. Also had like 1,000 members, I feel like, just rotating. 6 and 6 is a 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ryan B down to Sean M. And 12 times on the teams. What was that show that was about Travis Barker and whoever he was married to at the time? I forget her name. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on, random. Keep up. 9, 10, 11, 12. Reds down to Angels. All right, Ryan B, Reds, Jeff R, White Sox, Edward S, Red Sox, Alex V, Phillies, Frank S, Nationals, Sander, Dodgers, Andre, Cardinals, Brian R, Mariners, Jeffrey H, Royals, Robert Y, Pirates, Brian R, Padres, Kita, Braves, Akira, Yankees, Jack H, Orioles, Jeff R, Marlins, Daniel W, Astros, James S, Rangers, Derek W, D-backs, Matt H, Rockies, Jody M, Twins, Brian D, A's, Rob H, Brewers, Jake S, Cubs, Mark P, Guardians, Joe B, Giants, Clayton B, Rays, Nuno, Mets, Michael G, Blue Jays, Sander K, Tigers, Sean M, Angels. That's right, E-Bomb's World. There we go. Semien, Caminero, Vargas, and Ben Rice. Christian Yelich with a gold. Mets, Francisco Lindor, 2 of 50. Wilkin and Teodo. We'll meet the Barkers. Easy, dude. You got Shanwell. First auto, Mets to 199 of Vladdy Guerrero. Good one, Mets. Uwasawa, Robert Thomas. Malvi Marte, Ozzy Albies, Perdomo, and a black sapphire for the Royals. A Blake Mitchell, 10 of 10. Very nice. Freeman, Riley Green, Genzi Rivas, and Jodrick Profar. Vlad Jr. Yellow, Rockies, rookie to 75, Hunter Goodman. Medina and Valor. Evan Carter, Tyler Black, Chase Davis, Juanipa. Juan Soto, Jung-Hoo Lee, Riku Nishida, Samuel Basayo. On the board, on the board. Not necessarily a chase, but let's see what else there is. There's an Emma Sheehan. Red. Come on, Red. First Bowman auto, Francisco Velorio to 5 for the Yankees. That's a great hit. Nice. That's Akira with the Yanks. Going into a mag. There's Asensio and Jeter Martinez. Got Altuve with an orange here. Padres rookie variation at 25. Jackson Merrill now. Wow, man. It's been a pretty solid overall case. We'll mag the Merrill as well. Ferreras and Luciano. Devers, Crow Armstrong, Celestin, and Lorenzo. Rushman, Lawler, Teal, Dunn. Why would Flutie have Fireball in him? Jordan, Canario, Feliz. Yellow, Mets, Ryland Thomas at a 75. Hello, Jake.
Hello, Jake.
Luis Arise. Sapphire Selections, Arjun Amala, Blue Jays. Jalvin Arias and Jeremy Siriaco. Correa, Dodgers, Emil Morales. First Bowman auto, number to 199. That's Morales. Adolfo Sanchez Valorio. Let me look at something real quick, y'all. Holiday, Cole, Steven Martinez, and Guerrero. Vladdy Guerrero for the Mets. RPC is here. Talking about Fireball, talking about cannons. Everyone's really a big Bucks fan in chat right now. Trout, Imanaga, Ben Rice, and Harry Ford. Henry Davis with a yellow to 75 rookie Dominic Canzone for Seattle. Teodo and Vargas. Dominic Canzone, Mauricio, Ryland Thomas, and Brock Wilkin. Julio, Basabe, Perdomo, and Uwasawa. Johan Rojas with a first one auto. Marlins, Andres Valor to 199. Good hit on the Valor. Profar with an orange at 25. Diver de los Santos Twins. Also very nice. Gunnar, Casas, Valor, and Rivas. Got Jackson Chorio with a gold out of 50. Texas, Josh Young. Guanipa, Medina. Let's go Niners. Got Trey Turner, Luis Matos, variation, I believe. Nope. Masayo and Davis. Goodman, Mookie, Gonzalez, Gold Guanipa to 50 Braves. Albies, Nationals, first one auto, a bit of a smudge on it. Victor Hurtado to 199. Malvi Marte, gold to 50. Cardinals rookie Mason Wynn. Nice one, Redbirds. Albertus and Zayas. Freeman, green, Morales, and a yellow. Genzi Rivas to 75 Mets. Vlad Jr. DeVries variation, Padres. Walcott and Wood. Get a monster game from Kittle here. We got Carter, Tyler Black, Gerald Perez, Starling Fernandez. Jung-Hoo Lee, Orange Sapphire Selection, 7/25. Leo DeVries. Nice. We'll get it magged for the Padres. Beltre and Nunez. Juan Soto with a green auto here. First Bowman, Cubs, Fernando Cruz, 9 of 99. Good hit, Cubs. Tyler De Los Santos, Jake Bloss.
Oh, we combine shipments if they're on the same order number.
Yeah, they can combine if they're the same order number.
But if it's a group break, we're just shipping them out by group break.
Yeah, it slows us down a lot to try and combine shipments. So they just go out pretty much one at a time on group breaks. If it's the same group break, they'll go out together. If it's a separate order. But that's about it. Westberg, Smith-Shaver, Juan Flores, and Andres Arias. Cold Keith. Yellow Trout to 75 Angels. Familia and Lugo. Julio Abreu. Base auto or Sapphire first one auto to 99 to 199. Jeremy Rodriguez for the Mets. Good one, New York Mets. Eldridge and a gold Valor to 50. Marlins with a nice break. Meadows, Valorio Variation. Yeah, Valorio Variation, Yankees. Miller and Waldrop. Lindor, Frelick, Soler, and Clark. Skeens base. Orange, Acuna, 4 of 25, Atlanta.
Where do you look for variation?
Morel and Jenkins. The code thing at the bottom here, the last 3 digits. So you look at like a base. We'll say like 062. The variation will be different from that. Mason Wynn, Josh Young, Durbin, and Doel Joseph. Wells, Merrill, Morales, and orange on the back is going to be Jake Bloss. Astros color match to 25. All right, so numbered here, we're going to have Trout, Rivas, Canzone, Ryland Thomas, Hunter Goodman. Variations of Velorio, DeVries, and Namala. Gold Valor, Guanipa, Mason Wynn, Josh Young, Lindor. Orange Bloss, Acuna, De Los Santos, Mitchell Black to 10, autos Jeremy Rodriguez, Victor Hurtado, Andres Valor, Emil Morales, Vladdy Guerrero, and Fernando Cruz. So is it just extra autos all over the place? That's 6 right there. So it'll be 7 total. Orange rookie variation, Merrill Padres to 25. Orange DeVries, Sapphire selections out of 25 Padres. And red first Bowman auto, numbered 4 of 5, Francisco Valorio for the Yanks. Couple of nice Sapphire breaks tonight, y'all. Moving into Pristine.